Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are back with Charlie's Advent Calendar. We are on, day 6. This is the 6th. There's day 7. We are going to pull our day 6 out. Open this baby up. Tear it up. And today we have snowflakes. Piece of cake, piece of cake, piece of cake. I'm going to fix my mat. Pause for a brief moment, get a polish, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've got this beautiful blue polish by Diva the Bottle. We are going to paint the nail this color. It's probably very cold because it's cold in my room. Love, love, love this color. Love, love, love. So I'm going to pop this. Oh, I plug the lamp in. Getting ahead of myself. Getting behind. Don't have that plugged in. Don't have the light plugged in. I shed some light on the subject. So now I'm going to pop this beautiful blue polish. See how pretty that is? This is number 703. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Give that a cure. And open these beautiful snowflakes by Charlie's. I'm also going to be using some nail glue, which this is for fake nails, but I do use it to put gems and such on. I'll be using this to put the snowflakes on. I think these are so pretty. Look at how pretty those are. Two perfect snowflakes. Imperfect, perfect snowflakes, right? Is that how it goes? I hope you're enjoying the rest of the 5 days before this of the Charlie's Advent Calendar, as well as my 12 Days of Christmas. So I hope you check all those out. They are running together for the first 12 days, and then it'll just be Charlie's. I'm going to top coat this with some Beetles, top it off. Got a top coat before you put your snowflakes on. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. Click that bell. Click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Sorry, I gotta put that polish away. It sits on my desk for some reason. Click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, and there's, like I said, a boatload this month. Probably up until the end of the year. You know, we got Glitter Girls coming. I'm not sure if we're doing just 1 or 2 because of New Year's. So I'll have to get back to you on that one. But I'd like you to stay tuned, stay informed. Drop me a line, just let me know that you came through here. I'd greatly, greatly appreciate that. Like to have some conversation with my peeps. Alright, alright, alright. Ouch, can't get this open. Put that back in while I do this. Alright, we got her open. It's your snowflake. Ooh. And you can put these on any way you want. It is your snowflake. I imagine some girls might do something extravagant. I just like snowflakes. I'm not good at making them, but I like them. I should put some, I haven't had this palette out for a while. Yep, it still does. Get some snowflakes going on here. Some little snow. Oh, what is with that? Just a bunch of snow. So I'm going to pop that back in the lamp. Didn't plan on doing that spur of the moment, but nothing wrong with some added falling snow. Nothing wrong. So I hope you are enjoying yourself. We got how many more days to go? Up until the 24th of December. Greatly excited. Can't wait to see what's next. I'm hoping for, in the package, there were some Christmas foils. I don't know if that'll happen, but I'm hoping for it, because I don't have any. Or Christmas stickers even. I'm going to go back over the falling snow with some top coat. Pop her back in the lid for a full cure. And I'll be back in a momento. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the cooker, the lamp, the oven. I think that turned out really super cute. Love those snowflakes. I have to order me some for next year. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Your thoughts below. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. You know I would. Lets me know you liked the video. You liked what I've seen. You liked the content. And lately I've been paying attention when the first few people come through and they've commented, and lets me know who has liked and who has not. And I'm not going to put anybody's name out on Front Street. It just kind of disappoints me because I know these people. Well, it is what it is, I guess, and to each their own. But hope you like this design. A little something simple and easy. Snowflakes. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.